Hello and welcome to this video. It's going to be a short one in order to show the students at TLU, Texas Lutheran University, how to access their Excel online copy that comes with the Office 365. The very first thing that you need to do is to go to your favorite browsers and type office.com. Obviously, I already logged in the account, so I'm going to log out and show you how to actually log in one more time. So it's going to say, hang on a moment while we sign you out. And I'm already signed out, so I'm going to go ahead and start by typing office.com and hit enter. And it says here, pick up an account. Obviously, I have only one account, which is that my last name and first name at tlu.edu. And I'm going to go ahead and if it doesn't recognize your account because you have this is your first access, please type in your email. And of course, it's going to ask you for your password, and you're going to go ahead and see this wonderful screen with full of goodies. There's also other application beside this. The thing that I would like to let you know that if you can install your Office 360 application, including other type of software, including the Outlook that we use heavily, whether it's in your smartphone or your app tablets or your laptop or your desktop. All these going to be available for you because you can access it up to 4 or 5. I think it's 4 or 5. But that's really where we're going to start with. The very first thing that I would like to do is to go ahead and use Excel as online if you're really in a hurry and you wanted to do it. If you don't want to install it, and notice you're going to be a little bit warned because the available feature that we have are not going to be similar to the one that you have seen on your desktop copy. That is going to be a little bit different than what we are actually seeing here. But for most of the part, all the thing that we have done, it should be available for us as well. So if I go ahead and, for example, do a quick chart, and I wanted to go ahead and type here month, and I'm typing here 1, starting by 2, copy this all the way maybe to 10, or let's see, 9 is going to be enough. And let's go ahead and say sales here, and I'm going to use the function random between. So you see that this similar, identical to in many aspects between, let's say here 100 to 1000. That's my sales. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this twice. The same feature, copy all thing here and change it to $sign. And if I want to stop those from being changed, I could go ahead and copy them and paste them as values. Notice we have list feature available for this copy than what we have in the typical traditional copy that we have used in the classroom. But if you're really in the quick and in a hurry to really do a scattered chart, for example, you go to the insert. All the insert menus have all these objects other than the desktop, and the cell, which is the basic building block for Excel, is the cell. But if you wanted to add, for example, a chart, and as you notice here, I could go ahead and do a chart very quickly, which you could change. You click on the chart, you notice that you could have other type of feature that you could change. For example, you could change the axis, you could change the grid lines. Okay, you could say here major grid lines, and you could change the legend. You could say none, I don't want anything around it, and you could play with it however you want. But the advice that I would like to give you is to go ahead and play with it. And even you make a few mistakes here and there, in order to there's plenty of videos available on YouTube in order to teach you the Office 365 with the difference, to emphasize the difference between this type of application and the desktop application that we have learned in the classroom. I'm being redundant here in my thoughts, but also to get the idea through, I hope you are aware of the fact that you have access to Excel at anywhere, whether it's in your house, your neighbor, or like a 1,000 miles away from your home. As long as you have an internet access, you have access to Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this is going to help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.